Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. An HP switch is controlled by an HP WAN SDN controller. An SDN application attempts to create a flow entry that forwards traffic out port 2 on this HP switch. However, the switch does not forward any traffic out this port. The exhibit shows the status for ports on that switch. Based on the information shown in the exhibit, why does the switch not forward the traffic? Option A. Port 2 is part of a link aggregation with port 1. Option B. Port 2 is down. Option C. Port 2 is placed in the discarding state by spanning tree. Option D. Port 2 does not support a VLAN on which OpenFlow is enabled. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Port 2 is placed in the discarding state by spanning tree. Question 2. Refer to the exhibit. The network administrator is configuring interface 10 gigabit Ethernet 1/0, 2 to receive FCOE traffic from the connected server. The administrator has created VSAN 10, which is associated with VLAN 101. What else must the administrator do to complete the configuration? Option A. Assign VLAN 101 as the PV ID for interface 10 gigabit Ethernet 1/0 halves. Option B. Change interface 10 gigabit Ethernet 1/0, 2 to a hybrid port. Assign VLANs 10 and 101 as untagged VLANs. Option C. Change interface 10 gigabit Ethernet 1/0, 2 to a trunk port and permit VLAN 101. Option D. Change interface 10 gigabit Ethernet 1/0, 2 to a hybrid port. Assign VLAN 10 as a tagged VLAN and VLAN 101 as an untagged VLAN. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Change interface 10 gigabit Ethernet 1/0, 2 to a trunk port and permit VLAN 101. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.